So friends, now I am going to cook quinoa. Here I have taken this much of quinoa, this bowl, small bowl, and this is homemade curd. And I'm going to prepare quinoa with curd. I've already made a video on this preparation, but today it will be like with a twist. And today I'm going to eat this quinoa with this potato fries. Now I'll boil the quinoa in pressure cooker. It's not necessary that you cook in pressure cooker, but here it will be very easier for me to cook in pressure cooker. I'll add this much quinoa and this double amount water, and then I'll cook this in pressure cooker for 4 whistles, and I'll come after the pressure is released in pressure cooker. Okay, this quinoa is done. Actually, I have removed it from pressure cooker. This is still hot. I'll add salt in this. Now I'll add chopped ginger and green chili. This is like how much you want. You can add green chili. Now I'll add curd and mix it nicely. Oh yes, now I am going to temper it with oil and curry leaves and some mustard seeds. So let's go to oven. I'm adding vegetable oil. Okay, I added vegetable oil. Now I'll add red chili because this oil is hot. Let's add curry leaves, mustard seeds. Switch off the gas. One potato only, I have taken one large potato, and I boiled it, but not fully boiled. See, I have boiled only just up to that level that the fork is going inside but having some resistance. Okay, so now I'll cut this potato in pieces. Like I have to fry them, so first of all I'll cut them in pieces. Okay, yes. Now I'll add some spices in this potato. So let's add spices. First of all, chili powder. So it's optional. If you really love chili or spicy and hot food, you can add. Now I'll add black pepper powder. Just I'll sprinkle them. And this side also. Now little salt. Is the twist. I have to add some herbs. Like here I have taken parsley, and add some parsley and press them over the potato. I'll pick them with fork so that some spices will go inside it. The next thing I'll do, here I have taken some corn flour. I'll add them in corn flour just without any water, and press a little so that it sticks with the potato. Yes. Now this plate will go inside the fridge for maybe 20 to 25 minutes. Now I have taken this potato out from fridge. Let's fry it. My favorite pan, adding oil. Let's flip the sides. Oh yes, this side is really crispy. Okay, see these now, these are golden brown and nicely fried. I'll take it from pan. Okay, now I'll add little pink salt